Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question number 1, part 1, exercise 1.6. We have to simplify this. So we are following BODMAS rule in it, and as we can see, there are two types of brackets in it. One is curly bracket and the other is square bracket. So first of all, we will solve curly bracket, and in curly bracket we are seeing that there are two types of signs, minus and plus. So first of all, we will add them and then we will. So here we can see that we are adding first 8 plus 3 and then we will subtract. When we add them, we get 8 plus 3, 11, and minus 2 remains as it is, and in the next step we will complete this subtraction. Now 11 minus 2, it is 9. Now when we solve this curly bracket, this 9 comes out and it multiplies, and it is multiplied with 2, and in the next step we will complete this multiplication. Now 2 multiplied by 9 is 18, and we have a minus sign with it. Now we can see that 70 plus 10 plus 20 is 30, and 30 minus 18 is 12, and this 12 is solved and the bracket is removed. 12 plus 70 is 82, and this is the answer of this question. Now this is part 2, and in this we can see that all the three types of brackets are there. So हम पहले round bracket, जो सबसे smallest bracket है, round bracket, curved bracket, उसको solve कर लेंगे, जिसमें 16 divided by 4 plus 12 है, और उसमें से भी डिवाइड और प्लस में से हम डिवाइड को पहले सॉल्व करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू BODMAS रूल. तो 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 विल बिकम 4, और फिर उसमें 12 ऐड होगा. सो 16 डिवाइड बाय 4 इज़ 4 प्लस 12, और 4 प्लस 12 सॉल्व होकर 16 बन गया. और अब 16 जो है वो करली ब्रैकेट में है, और करली ब्रैकेट में इसके साथ 28 माइनस 16 है. तो 28 माइनस 16 को हम अब सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके बाद बाकी टर्म्स के साथ इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. अब 28 माइनस 16 जो है उसका आंसर है 12, और जब हमने ये सॉल्व कर लिया तो ब्रैकेट रिमूव हो गई ऑटोमेटिकली, और अब हमारे पास 5 प्लस 12 है स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में, जिसको सॉल्व करें तो आंसर आता है 17. और लास्टली हमारे पास बचा 25 माइनस 7, जिसका आंसर है 8. Okay students, this is part 3, and in this we can see that there are 3 types of brackets, and also there is bar, vinculum bar. So first of all, according to the BODMAS rule, we will solve this bar under which we have 6 minus 3. So when I'm solving this 6 minus 3, I'm getting 3. I'm putting this 3 over here and all the brackets like this, and now I will solve 9 minus 3 first. Rest everything remains same, and 9 minus 3 is 6. Now the round bracket is solved, so it is no more there. और अब हम 18 डिवाइड बाई 6, क्योंकि ये कर्व्ड ब्रैकेट में है तो 18 डिवाइड बाई 6 को हम सॉल्व करेंगे. एंड 18 डिवाइड बाई 6 एज वी नो इट इज़ 3, एंड इट इज़ सॉल्व, और सॉल्व हो गया तो ब्रैकेट भी रिमूव हो गई. अब हमारे पास स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट है. स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में हमारे पास 64 माइनस 3 है, जिसका आंसर है 61. सॉल्व हो गया और ब्रैकेट रिमूव हो गई. और 12 मल्टीप्लाई 8 माइनस 61, तो BODMAS रूल के मुताबिक मल्टीप्लिकेशन पहले सॉल्व होगा. तो 12 इंटू 8 इज़ 96 माइनस 61. जब इन दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे तो इसका आंसर है 35. Okay students, this is part 4. You can see there are 4 types of brackets here. All the 3, the round bracket, the curly bracket, the square bracket, and the vinculum, the bar. So first of all we will solve this bar, and the bar, under bar we have 6 minus 2, which will give us 4. So this 4 is placed over here, and still we need to solve 10 minus 4 in the round bracket, which will give us 6. So I am solving 10 minus 4, and the answer is here 6, and the bracket, the round bracket is removed. It's solved, so it's removed. And now 12 divided by 6, as we know that 6 2s are 12, so 12 divided by 6 is 2. As we have solved it, so the bracket is removed. Now we have 28 minus 2, which is 26. Now multiplication and minus, both the signs are there, so we will first multiply according to the BODMAS rule. 9 3s are 27 minus 26, which is 1, and this is its answer.